on the scene. With a furry face and paws so wide, a playful cub by my side. We skipped and hopped by the tall, tall trees. The wind was singing with a gentle breeze. The bear would roll and I would laugh. We made our way down the forest path. We found a stream that sparkled and cool. The bear jumped in, oh what a fool. Splashing water both wet and wild. We giggled and played like a carefree child. The flowers swayed in yellow and red. The bear sniffed close, then shook his head. Not for me, he seemed to say, as butterflies danced and flew away. Up a hill, we climbed so high, the bear yelled loud to touch the sky. We watched the sun begin to glow, turning the forest to golden show. The moon peeked out, it was time for rest. The bear lay down in a cozy nest. I hugged my friend, so warm, so near. A magical day with my bear so